What if some of the things you do to take care of your car are actually destroying your engine faster than you think? What if habits you believe are safe, normal, or even recommended are slowly reducing your engine's lifespan every single day? And what if avoiding just a few of these mistakes could make the difference between an engine that fails early and one that lasts hundreds of thousands of miles? In this video, you'll discover the most underestimated behaviors that damage engines over time, the real reasons they are dangerous, and the correct way to fix them. Make sure you stay until the end, because the final details are things almost nobody talks about, and they matter more than you think. Before we begin, if you want your engine to last longer, avoid expensive repairs, and understand how modern cars really work, subscribe to the channel now. New episodes in this series are designed to save you money and prevent mistakes most drivers never realize they're making. One of the biggest engine killers that people underestimate is driving with the wrong mindset. Many drivers think engines are either on or broken. In reality, engine wear is cumulative. Every cold start, every short trip, every aggressive acceleration leaves a microscopic mark. Over time, those marks become serious damage. Let's start with something very common: revving the engine unnecessarily. Many drivers press the accelerator harder than needed, even during normal driving. High RPMs increase heat, pressure, and friction inside the engine. While engines are designed to handle high revs occasionally, doing it constantly, especially when the engine is cold, accelerates wear on pistons, bearings, and valve components. The solution is smoother throttle control. You don't need to drive slowly, you need to drive intelligently. Another underestimated problem is poor oil management habits. Many drivers check oil only when a warning light appears. By then, oil levels may already be dangerously low. Running an engine with low oil, even briefly, increases metal-to-metal contact and causes irreversible damage. The correct habit is checking oil periodically, not reactively. Oil is not just a lubricant. It's also a cooling and cleaning agent. Now let's talk about engine load. Many people don't realize how much stress they put on the engine by accelerating hard at low RPMs in high gears. This causes engine lugging, which increases pressure inside the combustion chambers. Over time, this damages bearings and connecting rods. The fix is simple: downshift when necessary. Engines are designed to operate within specific RPM ranges. Another engine killer is ignoring air intake health. Dirty air filters restrict airflow, forcing the engine to work harder and burn fuel inefficiently. This leads to carbon buildup and reduced performance. Replacing air filters regularly is one of the cheapest and most effective ways to protect engine health. Short trips deserve special attention. Repeatedly starting the engine, driving for a few minutes, and shutting it off prevents oil from reaching optimal temperature. Moisture and fuel contamination build up inside the engine. Over time, this leads to sludge formation and corrosion. The solution is simple but often ignored: occasional longer drives that allow the engine to fully warm up and clean itself. Cooling system neglect is another silent threat. Many drivers never inspect coolant levels or condition. Coolant not only regulates temperature, but also prevents internal corrosion. Low or degraded coolant causes overheating, warp components, and gasket failure. Regular coolant checks are essential, especially in modern engines that run hotter than older designs. Fuel habits also play a larger role than most people think. Frequently driving with very low fuel levels can damage the fuel pump, which relies on fuel for cooling. Replacing a fuel pump is expensive and completely avoidable. Keeping at least a quarter tank of fuel protects this critical component. Another overlooked behavior is shutting off the engine immediately after hard driving. Turbocharged engines generate extreme heat. Turning the engine off instantly stops oil circulation, allowing heat to damage turbo bearings. Letting the engine idle briefly after aggressive driving allows temperatures to stabilize and prevents premature turbo failure. Let's talk about maintenance timing. Many drivers delay service because the car still feels fine. Modern engines are quiet and smooth even when damage is occurring. By the time symptoms appear, repairs are often expensive. Preventive maintenance always costs less than corrective repairs. Now let's address one of the most misunderstood issues: engine sound changes. Small ticking, knocking, or vibration changes are early warning signs. Ignoring them allows problems to grow. Engines communicate long before they fail. Learning to notice changes is one of the most valuable skills a driver can develop. Driving style consistency also matters more than speed. Engines suffer when driving behavior is chaotic, hard acceleration followed by sudden braking, repeated gear changes, and inconsistent throttle input. Smooth driving reduces mechanical stress across the entire drivetrain. Another habit that hurts engines is unnecessary idling. Long idling periods increase carbon buildup and oil contamination. Modern engines do not benefit from extended idling. If you stop for a long time, shutting the engine off is often better than letting it idle endlessly. Now here are the things most drivers never hear. Modern engines are designed around emissions regulations, not maximum longevity. Features like start-stop systems, ultra-thin oils, and long service intervals are optimized for compliance, not durability. Understanding this allows you to adjust your habits to protect the engine beyond minimum standards. Another hidden truth is that engine longevity depends more on the driver than the brand. A well-driven economy car often outlasts a poorly driven luxury car. Reliability is not just engineering, it's behavior. Here's another overlooked fact. Many engine failures are predictable years in advance. Oil consumption increases, fuel economy drops slightly, or the engine becomes noisier. These signs are often ignored until it's too late. Finally, here's the most important secret. Engines don't fail because of one mistake. They fail because of thousands of small ones repeated every day. Changing just a few habits can double an engine's lifespan. If you apply what you learned in this episode, you can dramatically reduce wear, avoid expensive repairs, and make your engine last far longer than average. And if you want the next episode to focus on a specific engine type, turbo, hybrid, diesel, or a specific brand, leave a comment below. Your engine is not fragile, but it remembers how you treat it.